Smoke alarms are associated with a reduction in fire fatalities, reducing the chances of dying in a fire by 40 to 50% when present. However, older adults, those 65 years of age and over, may not fully benefit from conventional smoke alarm systems, particularly during sleeping hours. Older adults are more than twice as likely to die in a home fire as the average person. On average, 800 older adults die in home fires each year. A study was undertaken to assess the performance requirements for alarm and signaling systems to meet the needs of an aging population. Risk assessment and human behavior studies were also undertaken, as well as a review of new and promising technologies that may improve the waking effectiveness of smoke alarms for older adults and improve their overall fire safety. The results showed that under comparative test conditions, the high-pitched signal typical of that used in United States smoke alarms performed the most poorly of the alternative signals tested. The results also indicate that a male voice alarm is not suitable for older adults. The study concluded that the high-frequency alarm signal that is typically used in current smoke alarms should ultimately be replaced by an alternative signal that offers significantly better waking effectiveness across the general population once the nature of the best signal has been determined. While this research is ongoing, the study recommended the use of interconnected smoke alarms in bedrooms to provide the maximum potential benefit. The report further stated that proper use and maintenance of smoke alarms is also critical to realizing the benefits of smoke alarms. Older adults are less likely to hear standard smoke alarms, especially while sleeping. The high-pitched signal used in United States smoke alarms performs poorly for older adults. A male voice alarm is also not suitable for older adults. It is recommended to replace the high-frequency signal in smoke alarms with an alternative that offers better waking effectiveness. It is also recommended to use interconnected smoke alarms in bedrooms to provide maximum protection and to ensure proper use and maintenance of smoke alarms.